In this video, I am going to show you how we can block internet access on a specific host in Linux using IP tables. So first of all, this is my Linux machine and it is having internet access, as you can see. But I want to block this access on a specific user. This is a standard user that is logged in, and on Ubuntu or on Linux Mint, we don't have access to root account because we uh, need sudo command whenever we want to perform any admin task. So first of all, we need to have the root account password in order to implement IP tables. Type sudo password root. So enter your own password of the standard user and then enter the new password for root. So now the password has been successfully completed. Now we need to switch to the root account and you have to know your user ID. So for this you type ID term, which is the username, and this is the ID you need to remember because this will be used in blocking. And to view the IP tables, you can use IP table space minus capital L to list all the rules that are currently in the IP tables. So currently there are no rules in the IP tables. So we need to create a rule. Also, we need to know our interface name. By default, if it is a uh, host machine, then it will be ETH0. But in VirtualBox case, it is ENP0S3. So make a note of it. And now go to the previous tab and implement the IP tables space minus A. A mean we are appending the rules. Output minus O. O stand for Ethernet network interface from which the packet will be going outwards, and we have to type our ENP0S3. Make sure you spell it correctly, and then minus M owner, who is the owner of the process packets, and minus UID, which is the user ID. Specify the owner parameter, and then 1000 is the user ID. And then what action will be taken? That is specified minus J drop. So now try to access the internet. So now you can see that there is no internet connectivity. So you have successfully implemented the IP tables rules that will block the internet access on a specific user. So to remove this rule, you can use IP table space minus F. So now check the internet connectivity again. Internet connectivity is running. So in this way, you can block internet access on a specific user in Linux. Thanks for watching.